Alright, so now we'll understand relative distance, which is an important part of time and distance, speed and distance. So we have this truck here, and this is a pole, right? Now let's say this truck crosses this pole. So what will happen is this truck is going to cross like this. Now look at this exact point. What we have to understand is how much distance did this truck exactly cover. Earlier it was here at this point, wherein the front end of the truck was just touching the pole. The time ends where the rear end of the truck just leaves the pole. So if you see here, the distance traveled is exactly the length of the truck. Now let's move on and see what happens when the truck moves from point A to point B. So here again there is let's say a bridge here which is from this point to this point, and this truck crosses this bridge. So my time again starts when the front end of the train just touches the bridge, and it starts moving, and it goes to a point wherein the rear end of the truck just leaves the bridge. In this case, if you look at the distance traveled by the truck, is from this point to this point, which is as such the length of the truck plus the length of the bridge.